Hello friends, welcome back to the new tutorial. Today we are going to learn about the voice AI agent that talks to it talks back. Claude AI we are going to use, Whisper and the HTTS. So what exactly it does? A push to talk voice assistant in your terminal, press enter, speak your question, press enter again to stop, and the AI transcriber your voice, think of reply with Claude. So let me show you what exactly I have built. So here you can see that, so press enter to start talking, enter again to stop. Okay, so I start recording, recording, then it transcribing, and I said let's have a look. Okay, so I'm going to press enter to speak. What we can see, what work you are doing right now. Here you can see. So here you can see that I have just record my voice, and it transcribing and give me the proper response to my question. Here you can see that. So this is what the agent I have built. So you can talk to the agent and it will reply on that. Okay, so let's move to the concept, right? So press enter, record from the mic, press enter to stop, faster whisper, local, free, no API key required, converts speech to text. Claude AI generates a short spoken style reply with conversation memory. HTTS free, no API key, converts your text, natural sounding speech into MP3, right? And FF play plays the audio out loud. Okay, so tech stack we are using faster Whisper, Claude AI, HTTS, sounds device, FF play, LangChain. So these are the, and faster Whisper, local speech to text, Claude AI, the conversation brain, HTTS free, Microsoft Edge text to speech, no API required, sound device records from your microphone, that we have to install this. Okay, and then I have installed one package also, let me show you. So this is port audio 19 dev and lib port audio 2, so we have to install this for the Linux part. Okay, and the project is like this: source record.py, sst.py, tts.py, agent, init, main, requirements, env, and the project. Okay, so record.py is basically push to talk mic recording, stty the faster whisper transcription, tts.py, httts speech synthesis and playback, agent, Claude conversation chain, short spoken replies, and main, that is CLI loop, trying to all together. Okay, so let's move in the code. So this is source and this is our agent. Okay, this is our agent.py. Right here you can see that. Okay, chart prompt template from the message voice agent. Then we have init.py. Okay, next which is recorder. So push to talk microphone recording, press enter to start, press enter again to stop. So this is the simple fledged code for that. Then stty.py. Okay, then we have a tts.py file, right? Okay, so this is what the file structure is. Okay, what else we have? Okay, what, how to do that? Then sudo app install this one, the library. Okay, audio library, then voice agent, then we have to go with the env, right? Bin activate that one, then install the requirement.txt file. So this is our requirement.txt file. Here you can see that. Okay, and after that copy the Anthropic API key, then hit this one, python main.py. Okay, so main.py. So this is our main.py file. So here you can see that. Python file. Okay, so all overall we have there, right? Voice agent, talks to back, push to talk. Okay, so and this is our env file, env example here you can see. Okay, and if I go, so this is basically a one-time installation of this Whisper model, that is 150 MB. Okay, HTTPS requires an internet connection. It is a free Microsoft cloud voice, just no API required. Okay, so if you want to change the AI voice, edit the default dot voice in the source TTS file, so it will change. And try ENUS mail or anything. You can just Indian as accent, if you want to change, you can change. Conversation memory persists the whole session, last 10 turns. Okay, so this is what the AI agent that we have been built, that is the voice AI agent. So let me know if you want to do that, want the explanation of the code also, so I'll do that one. Okay, so any doubt, any query, do let me know in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day.